Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. Today I have a new product to show you from the Groomed Co, which is an Australian line that we carry. It is their hairstyling clay. It took 4.5 years to perfect. It's finally here. So it is a matte finish firm hold product, which is what a lot of guys are looking for. Consistency wise, it's got that nice creamy consistency, so it's nice and soft, easy to spread. Also rich in something called kapu aku butter, which is it's rich in fatty acids, which helps to preserve the moisture in your hair and on the scalp. Sometimes clays can be a bit drying for the hair. This one is not, which is nice. Scent wise, it's got a sort of a citrus woodsy smell to it, nice and subtle, not too strong. Sometimes hair products can be a bit overpowering scent wise. This one is just right. I actually quite like the scent, it's very nice. So it's a buildable product, meaning that the more you apply, the stronger the hold will be, but it's firm but pliable hold, so it's not going to like weigh the hair down and make it feel like concrete. So yeah, if you're in the market for a nice clean formulation, firm hold, matte finish product with a light scent, check this one out on shopmasc.com, the Groomed Co styling clay, and of course come and see it in the shop if you're in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.